To the Crypto Kings YouTube channel, and in today's I'll be talking about and giving us a breakdown review and overview of AAX Exchange, the various things you can actually services they actually offer, and how you can actually make use of the AAX Exchange and make profits for yourself as a crypto trader and investor. So first thing first is you go to their website, or you actually download their mobile app on maybe your app store or Android. You can actually download it into your iPhone or your Android device, or you can actually use it as I'm using it on my website on this desktop. So you register. After registering, check the video, the link on the description. You see my link. You can actually use my link and you get $50 as a new sign up on AAX Exchange. After doing that, you actually go to KYC and make sure you do your KYC verification. I advise you, if you can actually do your KYC to level 2, there are benefits to doing your KYC to level 2. That level 2 actually requires what we call gives you access to cash, and you can actually be a P2P vendor if you have verified to level 2. Level 2. And what you actually require there is address verification. So if you can do your KYC to level 2 or you do to level 1, it's actually quite cool, and with that you can actually make good use of the exchange. Then after that, you actually do your security. You can link your mobile verification, your phone number, or you do Google Authenticator. Very important. Set your password. That password is actually and you set your payment password when you're making payments like deposit, withdrawal, and also on the P2P exchange. You can actually add your payment method for P2P traders, your bank account details, preferences, and lots more. So that's that under the overview, account settings, and a whole lot. So let's go to their homepage, the AXS homepage. You can see AXS is actually a trusted crypto exchange which has been in existence since 2019 and has grown to over 2 million users. It's actually a very great exchange, I would say. Good exchange, and it has been doing excellently well so far. So doing excellently well. They have their native token AAB, which is trading about $1.1 at the moment. It's actually a good one, a good token. Then we also have their several services they offer, several services, and good to 22 to 4 services. You can actually chat up their support and your challenges are actually solved. You get. Then also they have their news. They give you news updates about the crypto market, what's happening. They also have their academy where you can actually get to read and learn a lot of things about the crypto space, terminologies, different things, even as high as technical analysis and lots more. So now let's go here. Okay, if you click on this icon, you actually can see their ecosystem, their token, their beginner's guide. That's like a learning. Then they also have a guide for you that for futures traders, you want to learn futures. They also have a guide so you can learn their news and everything other thing. Then let's come here to buy crypto. If you click on the buy crypto, there are various methods actually you can actually use their platform to buy crypto. So we can actually use the P2P method to buy crypto and sell crypto from verified merchants. You go there, you choose your country, you choose your currency, and you actually can see someone to buy crypto from or sell your crypto to and collect your local currency. You actually also buy or sell your crypto. You can also buy your crypto using the fast buy method. The fast buy method is them on incorporating other third parties exchanges like Advanced Cash, Mercury.com and the rest, Mercury.co and the rest, in which you can actually also buy your crypto from those platforms, and also can also convert cash to crypto instantly and also buy crypto. So they also have the futures. They have futures, BTC settled contracts and USD settled contracts. So those that love trading futures, this is a good place, and they have leverages up to as high as 100x leverage. Actually, very sweet platform to trade futures. Then they also have finance. They have DeFi, because in the crypto space, aside trading, they have so many ways you can actually make money from the crypto space. So they also have a DeFi in which you can actually stake some of your tokens and actually have some earnings. You get, instead of leaving them idle, you can actually stake, and they have good APR, good APY, very high ones. If you can actually check them too, check that out. Also have battle. If you check the link in the description or my playlist, you actually see a video I did on the battlefield of AXS. It's actually a very wonderful one. Then they have their AXS Launchpad, which is, I think, is still under development. It's not really been in use so far. Then they also have promotions are the various ways you can actually also earn money passively with their platform. I would say it's actually like an affiliate marketing scheme side, I'll say so. So like they have a friend invitation contest. If you invite a good number of friends, they actually have a limit they can give to you, like a target to meet. You actually get to share a pool share with a lot of other persons that actually win in that category. Up to, there's one running right now, up to 50,000 US dollars in share that will be given out. So it's actually a good one. Price promotion. They also have, there's a lot. They also have, under promotion, they also have time limited benefits. Those are activities they give you to do. Also, if you refer friends, first of all, you don't just refer friends and it goes that way. You refer friends, you also earn. The earnings you get from referring friends. Like I've told you, if you use my link in the description, you get $50. I also get something because you have used my link, and most of that earnings goes for life. Like if you are trading with their exchange, I still earn some little tokens from the tradings you do. So it's quite good when you are inviting your friends to the exchange, give them your referral link so that you can actually earn something even passively. So it's actually a very wonderful one. Then they also have a new users exclusive. Like I told you, for every new user you get $50 USDT reward, but you actually have to use my referral link on the description. Then they also have NFT lottery. If you participate, you also win. Now lottery is not is by luck. Yeah, it's by luck you get it. A lot of things there. Then you also have here your wallet. Your wallet actually shows you the total amount you have in your trading account. Yes, and this totally shows you across every platform, both spot, futures, cash. Under the cash, it shows you for the P2P. That's what shows you for your P2P. Then you can actually deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency. You can also transfer them. Maybe you have crypto on your spot, you can transfer it from spot to futures. You can transfer from futures to spot, so that you can actually trade on those platforms. Even if you savings account, savings is like the DeFi and a lot more. Then so that's that for that. They also have the orders where you can see open orders of the trades you have made so far. Is it futures trades you made? You can see open orders. If it's spot trades you made, you can see open orders. Is it cash trades you made? You can see the open orders. Let's say cash trades, like the P2P trades you have made so far on their platforms. You can try to see the orders they buy, they sell, and lots more. So they give you good information, details. You don't actually lose information. You can actually do it, track back progress you have been doing, what you have been doing on their exchange. So actually quite a good one. Then under here you can actually, I've talked about this, you try to verify your account. You can change your avatar, you can change your username. Do make sure you do security settings so that your account is protected. You can actually do till Google Authenticator, link your phone number, email, and everything. Those are quite very important, and they have their uses actually help to secure your account. Then you can actually download their application. Then here that looks like a BOS for notifications. You can see I have over 144 pending notifications. You can actually see notifications, what's happening, news, announcements being made, and what you have been doing, transactions I've been making. You can see I made some P2P transactions today, and also the academy update. Like now they just dropped an AAX Academy. They talk about autology, so you can actually use that to learn. Then yes, English, this and that, and currency. So there's a lot you can actually get from the AAX exchange, and in subsequent videos I'll be giving us more information about the different sectors about in the crypto, in the AAX exchange, how we can profit from it. Let's say the futures, I'll do a video on futures, I'll do a video on the DeFi, and a whole lot. So expect more videos. If you love this content, do well to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.